how to print from Canva. So first, go to your design, and then for example, this is mine. So we can print this with two ways. The first one is you can just click on share at the top right, then click on print with Canva, and then choose here that you're going to use. So I'm going to use the posters here, click on it, and then let's just wait for it to load. Okay, now here you can just select the pages to print, and then the size, how many, and then you can just click on continue here at the bottom. And then here, if you want to do a final check, you can just click on download PDF and check if the design is right, and then click on add to cart or click on checkout if you want to check this out or check out this so Canva can deliver it to you. Okay, now here you can just enter details and then your payment method, and then you can just click on place order, and then Canva will deliver it to you. Okay, so next is the other one is go back to your design. You can just click on share and then click on download, click on click on PDF standard and then click on download. Now once you've downloaded this as a PDF, you can just print the PDF, or you can just print the design, open the PDF. For example, just download this. Okay, now just open the PDF and then you will see something like this, and then you can just click on print here. Just print this using your printer at home. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.